Howdy crew, I have a really nice update today. Let's get to it. As y'all have seen in prior videos, I have had a real time trying to find insurance companies, been a real pain. I've gone through huge insurance companies, small insurance companies. I've had brokers look across the country and just turn up nothing that will cover a welding rig in the state of California. And one for state of California, the other thing being welding. Some will cover things in California, but not welding. Some will carry welding, but not anything in the state of California. So it's been a real pain. But I got in contact with a rig welder down in San Diego, Sparks Mobile Welding. And so I really appreciate his help in giving me contact to an insurance company that's out of state, but they cover in-state welding. They actually have entire forms for welders. And so I really do appreciate that. Thank you again, Sparks Mobile. It really helped out a lot because I was getting really worried about that because it's just, if there's no insurance, it's pretty hard to weld because you don't want to be welding out of insurance and just be sued and have everything taken if something were to go awry, whether it's your fault or not. So thank you again, Sparks Mobile. I really do appreciate that. It's taken a lot of worrying away because it's very stressful when you can't have any insurance. And I couldn't operate without insurance. So that's just big thing off the checklist. Very happy about it. There will be more updates coming very soon on it. And there's going to be certain things about different forms with different insurance companies I'll mention to help out welders in the state of California as well as welders outside the state of California operating on welding rigs, because I have learned a decent amount, but finally having an insurance company that will cover has been tremendous. So thank you again, Sparks Mobile. Really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next video.